Today we wanted to show you just a quick look at Site 14 at the Range Vintage Trailer Resort in Bristol, Texas. The sites are very far apart. They do have vintage trailer rentals available as well as open sites. So this is Site 14. It's a pretty easy back-in. As you can see, you pretty much are surrounded back in the woods by trees on the left and the back and the right. This is a trail that is a walking trail that runs pretty much behind a lot of the sites, and it's going to take you up to the barn, to where the laundry, the shower house is, up towards the pool, the horseshoes, the hammocks, all of that area. It's a real nice easy walk, and you can get to it just like right through here. You just kind of walk out of the door of your trailer, and this is from the front. This is Site, again, 14. It's been a brutal summer so far in Texas. We haven't had rain in a long time. I've seen this site many other times before driving through. I've stayed here once before, and this whole area is usually all grass. But with the drought that we've had here in Texas and the dry weather, it's just so hard to keep everything growing and green. So it's a pretty good sized site if you have a dog, if you have a couple dogs, or if you just kind of like the extra space. Get a lot of shade during the evening time. This here is just kind of behind the trailer. It is, for right now, it is a 30 amp site. It does have water hookups, sewer hookups. Every site out here is completely full hookup. And this is just kind of what it looks like from inside the trailer. Depending on your layout of what you would have, this is from our back window, so this kind of faces the path behind. We haven't found a bad spot in this place. I thought it might be nice for us to kind of try to, as we stay in them, to maybe lay them out. That way you can see each site in more detail. If this video was helpful, please let us know.